relation between drift velocity and current. What is meant by the term drift velocity? We know in a conductor there are large number of free electrons, and these free electrons are always in random motion. They collide with the heavy ions of the conductor, and their net average velocity will be 0. But when an electric field is applied to the ends of the conductor, these free electrons drift with velocity called drift velocity. If electric field is acting in one direction, electrons drift in the opposite direction. Now let us see, this is a cylindrical conductor of length delta x and area of cross section A. In time delta t, these electrons drift through a distance delta x. So what may be the drift velocity? Drift velocity Vd equal to distance by time, delta x by delta t. Let us imagine in this conductor, per unit volume, there are n number of free electrons. So number of free electrons in the conductor per unit volume, let it be n. If A is the area of cross section and delta x is the length, what is the volume of the conductor? So volume of the cylindrical conductor is equal to A into delta x. So what may be the total number of free electrons in this conductor? That is n times A delta x. For each electron, if E is the charge, then the total charge present in the conductor Q equal to total number of electrons into each electron is having charge E. So this is the total charge inside the conductor. If it is so, these free electrons drift through a distance delta x in time delta t. What may be the current through the conductor in time delta t? That is, I is Q by T, or I equal to N A delta x into E, that is Q, divided by time. Time is delta t. And already we know delta x by delta t is drift velocity. So I is equal to N A Vd into E, which is the expression for current in terms of drift velocity. What is meant by the term current density? Current density is represented by symbol J, and current density J equal to current per unit area of cross section. Already we know I equal to N E A V D divided by area A, or that is equal to A and A get cancelled out, or J equal to N E V D, or Vd equal to J by Ne. Drift velocity depends on current density, number of free electrons per unit volume, and electronic charge. Already we had learned Vd is also equal to E2 by m, where E, capital E, are the electronic charge and electric field, m is the mass of the electron, and 2 is the relaxation time. Thank you.